Welcome Z Squad. Today we're reviewing my Beats headphones. It came in this nice container, has the nice Beats logo. These are the Beats Studio Wireless. And it has the red emblem and they're black. If you can see. That logo. These are very nice. Noise cancelling, wireless of course. It came with a charging cable, a phone talking cable, and also if you want to have the wire into your iPod or other device without using Bluetooth, you can use that as well. These are very comfortable on the ears. You get good life out of these. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe this video. If you want a pair of Beats, there's a link in the description and click on it and you can get some.